Nice bubble pops, alright. I am living for this vibrant peachy color. Beautiful, just beautiful. It's already fluffing up nicely, y'all. That's insane. What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I am so excited for what we're gonna do today, y'all. We are going to be unboxing and reviewing a Peachy Babies slime package. This is super cool and exciting because if you didn't know, Peachy Babies just rebranded their entire shop. You know, the things look different, the logo looks different, and I'm so excited. Literally just looking at this box makes me so happy. First of all, because yellow is my favorite color, obviously. And currently I'm really into the whole like 8-bit theme going on, so I love that. The box itself just looks super bright and happy, so I'm really excited to dig into this. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and open this baby up. I'm so excited. Y'all get the first look. I haven't seen anything yet. Oh my God. Y'all, this is insanely cute. Oh my goodness. I love all the little fruits on there. They're just so freaking cute. I am loving that the outside is like yellow and then on the inside it has like the blue and pinks. It's super cute. Are these her own pencils as well? I am so dead. Peachy Babies has her own pencils. Like, who else does that? This honestly probably took so long for Andrea to like rebrand her whole shop. So kudos to you, girl, if you're watching this, and thank you for the package, by the way. This is insane. I am so excited to dig into this. So we got one slime over here. Let's go ahead and plop them down. This one is called Bubbleberry Jelly. I love jelly slimes. This one is, where is it at? Blueberry Bubblegum Fudge. I was like, wait, what does that say? I don't know why the later it gets, the harder it is for me to read. Ooh, this was a big mama. Her name is Candy Fluff. All right, Miss Candy Fluff. We also got Fairy Light Crisp. That looks beautiful. We also have Peach Puffball over here. This next one is called Rainbow Whip. Oh, that's so beautiful. I love that. So excited. This one is called Gingerbread Latte Foam. So cute. And then we got a little extra packet as well. Ooh, there's like activator in there too. That's super cool. Okay, I think that's all that's in here. Yay! Okay, let's get into these slimes. I am so excited. All right, so we have all the slimes here. Inside of this little extra bag is her business card. Let me take it out here. So we have a Peachy Babies business card, and we also have Peachy Babies business card. We also have a wristband, which is super cool. What does it say? It says Peachy Babies, and then we also have 2 stickers, one logo sticker and then a cool like fruit sticker. And then we have some activator in a little spray bottle here. I love this. Oh, it's an activator pen. That's cool. Let's go with this one first. What is this one? Peach Puffball. We'll do that one first. All right, so this slime is Peach Puffball, and it says here it is a puff textured clay-based slime with a creamy peach marshmallow scent. All right, I see you with the descriptions, Peachy Babies. I love that. Ooh, yes, that smells so good. That almost smells like a Bath and Body Works candle of some sort. It smells really good. All right, Peach Puffball, let's see what you all about, all right. Ooh. Look at that. It's super, super holdable. Nice and stretchy as well. All right, Andrea, I see you, girl. This is so nice. It almost feels like a butter slime. It's like a sleigh slime, but it's a really clay-heavy sleigh slime, if that makes sense. And I am living for this vibrant peachy color. So cute. Oh, that is just beautiful. This is like the perfect texture to do the slime flip with. It's perfect. And that'll help inflate it some as well. Okay, next up I want to go for Gingerbread Latte Foam. This one looks super, super cool. This one, oh, this one has a seal on it. I was like, wait, why isn't it opening? Okay, hold on. Super cool. Okay, so this one was sealed, so that's pretty awesome. That's like the extra step to make sure they're secure, you know? Ooh, y'all, oh my gosh, that smells so good. It smells like a French vanilla latte with like gingerbread. Wow, that smells really, really good. I love that. This is my favorite scent so far, for sure. I mean, we've only reviewed 2 slimes, but still. It has some sprinkles at the bottom. Super, super cute. This is like a cloud cream texture, but not like a full cloud cream. At least it doesn't feel like full cloud cream. I don't know. Because I've had Andrea's cloud creams before, and this one feels like that, just like a little bit lighter, like there's less snow in it. I think I definitely like prefer the full cloud creams, but this is a really great texture still. It's just a matter of preference. Like for me, I like it with more snow, but this is beautiful. That scent alone is amazing. Tense across the board, sweetie. A little spiral action going on. Beautiful. Alrighty, next up we're gonna get into blueberry bubblegum fudge. Oh, she's stuck. Alright, I got it. It's all good. Oh my gosh. Okay, Peachy Babies, I see you with the scent game. The scent game is strong, alright? I don't mean the scents are strong, I just mean like the scents are on point. This smells so good. I don't even know like what scent blend that is. But it's so nice. It's like fruity yet refreshing at the same time, not like overly fruity. It's really good. This looks to me like a thick and glossy. Yep. Sure is. Let's take that out. This is super nice. Nice and thick, but not too thick to where it's not stretchy. I mean, look at that. It's definitely stretchy. Nice bubble pops, all right. There's some things in here. I don't know if they're like sprinkles. What am I feeling? Yes, there are some sprinkles in here. I love the bubble pops. Gets nice blocks to it as well. Yeah, this is super nice. It's really nice and holdable as well, which is always great for any type of slime. I love it. The bubble pops are like never ending. All right, next up, we're gonna go ahead and go for Fairy Light Crisp. This one is a Peachybbies slime, I can already tell. It looks beautiful. I'm pretty sure I saw this one on Andrea's Instagram account, and it was beautiful there too, so I'm really excited. Looks super, super nice and crunchy. Ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh, it has like a beautiful shimmer to it. That is gorgeous. Okay, I love this. It's so pretty. It's gonna need the tiniest bit of activator, but that is okay. I had this package sitting for a couple days, so it's totally understandable. This is beautiful. So pretty. Super, super bubbly. I love that. Peachybbies are one of my favorite slimes right now. This one definitely is up there because it's perfect. I mean, the Peachybbies are beautiful. They're all like different colors, but yet they still go together, you know what I mean? It's beautiful. Next up, we have this slime here, which is called Rainbow Whip, and this slime has a description on it as well. It says it's a soft and creamy cloud cream that is scented like sour Skittles sherbet and topped with DIY clay rainbow meringue. Okay, I see you. Oh, that smells so good. Oh my gosh. I definitely smell the sherbet in there. It smells really nice and fruity, a little bit tangy. It smells really, really good. All right, here we go, y'all. Okay, first of all, sizzles, who told you you could do that? I didn't give you permission to be that sizzly. Let's continue. This slime is beautiful. I love all the colors. Super, super nice. This feels like that classic cloud cream that I was talking to you about earlier with the gingerbread latte foam. This is what I was expecting for a cloud cream. It's so beautiful and creamy and amazing. Like, this is literally amazing. It's mixing into like a light kind of greenish, almost like tan kind of color, and I don't mind it at all. Whenever things like this happen to me and I really love the slime, what I'll normally do is I will just add some food coloring, because the color is so light. You can really turn it into whatever color you want at this stage, which is perfect. Oh yeah, this slime is super, super creamy. Look at that spread. All right, I see you. I see you, Peachy Babies, I see you. You can do the little slime flip with it as well. Super nice. Get it nice and inflated. This slime is just beautiful. Next up, we have bubbleberry jelly. This one here also has a description. It says it is a sweet strawberry bubblegum scented jelly slime. Get into that egg. All right, let's see what we got here. I love me some jelly, so I am so excited. It makes me even like more excited to know that this jelly slime is from like the creator of jelly slime, because you know Andrea really did like pioneer the jelly slime and the cloud cream. So every time I feel those textures from her, it just like, I get a little extra excited, even more so than I normally do, especially because this is my favorite texture of like all time right now. I love a good jelly slime, and Andrea's jelly slimes are amazing, so they should be nothing less than that. We shall see, because I have reviewed a couple of jelly slimes from her before, so let's get into this one. My battery is dying again on the second camera. I ain't playing with you. All right, let's see. And oh, this is beautiful. I love this so much. This one is the only one I'm just noticing right now, because I can smell the scent from here. The scent isn't bad, it's just not like strong at all, if that makes sense. If you're that type of person that likes to smell the slime from like across the room or something like that, this is definitely not the one, but it does smell good. You just have to get a little closer to it, which I don't personally mind. Honestly, she could have given me like a unscented jelly slime and I would have been happy, because this is amazing. Look at that, you can see all the texture there. Oh, this is so good. Jelly slimes make me happy. This just feels right, you know, like when you know, you know. Beautiful, look at all that texture. There are also some glitters and sprinkles in here, which just make it extra cute. All right, y'all, last but not least, we have the big mama herself right here. This is Miss Candy Fluff. It is a cloud slime, which Peachy Babies has never done a cloud slime before, so that's pretty cool. This is the classic Candy Fluff. She's gonna be coming out with more like flavors, I guess, or more scents of candy fluff, basically, like cotton candy. That smells really good. That one smells good. Look at that. You can tell this is gonna have a great drizzle. All right, let's take this out. Ooh, I love when that happens. Oh. Beautiful, just beautiful. It's already fluffing up nicely, y'all. That's insane. All right, Andrea, who told you you could snatch my weave like this? Who gave you the permission, girl? This is just way too fluffy to be real. I am seriously like in awe right now. What the heck? Get out of here! How is this so fluffy? Like, what did you do? It's beautiful. Oh my gosh. It looks like a giant ball of just like cotton, like ready to be stuffed inside of a pillow or something. Our second camera just died, so bear with me, but we're gonna go ahead and drizzle this baby for y'all one more time because it is beautiful, y'all. You are literally going to be slain so hard right now. Y'all ready for this? It's so fluffy, like, why? How? It's beautiful. I am so obsessed, you have no idea. Alrighty, y'all, that is pretty much it for this Peachy Babies slime review. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big salami thumbs up for me. Andrea, if you're watching this, thank you so much, girl, for sending me these slimes for free. I loved every single one of them, and you were literally killing the game. I am so excited for you and your rebrand. I am really torn between two slimes for my favorite slime out of this little review here. It's either Rainbow Whip or the Bubble Berry Jelly. I would say Jello. But those two were really, really good. That jelly slime, of course, my favorite. And then the cloud cream, obviously, it's like a classic Andrea cloud cream. Obviously, both of them are classic Andrea textures. So, I don't know. I'm torn between the two. They both smelled really good. I'm torn between the two. I don't even know. In the comment section down below, let me know which one of these slimes were your favorite and if you plan on snatching from Andrea anytime soon. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!